Hi everyone, my name is Victor and I am one of the authors of Technique.com. Today, we'll continue with our Learn Linux from Scratch series. We're going to be looking at using Wildcard in Linux. In our previous class, we talked about what globbing is and we also talked about using the asterisk wildcard. So in today's class, we're going to look at using the question mark wildcard. The question mark wildcard is used to match a single or one character, and that character can be anything. In the sys module directory, for example, to list all the directories that have three characters, use the command ls option-ld. So you use three question marks, that's one, two, three, because the question mark is used to match a single character. So you can see all the directories that have just three characters. To list all the directories that have three characters before underscore, you use the same command, but this time around, one for one character, two for second character, three for third character, followed by underscore and star. Sorry, and star. In our previous class, we talked about the asterisk, which is a star, wildcard. And in this case, we've been able to combine two wildcards together, which is the question mark and the asterisk. So you can see all the directories that have three characters before underscore. To list all the directories that have at least three characters and ends with core, so you use the command at least three characters, that will be one, two, three, and ends with core, asterisk, and core. Normally, when you use this command, means that you want core to, you're looking for a file or directory that ends with core. So this time around, we're combining it with the asterisk and we're saying, hey, I want all directories that have at least three characters and ends with core. So you can see that the least character you would have here is three and ends with core. So the same way, if you want to list all directories that have at least six characters, you increase the question mark to six, four, five, six, and that ends with core. So you can see that the least character is six. Look at the book and underscore. For example, D is one, E is two, the B is three, the U is four, the G is five, and underscore is six. So the least character before core would be six. So this is how you use the question mark wildcard. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to this channel. Bye for now.